Consider the following statements. Statement 1. The value of integral 0 to pi by 2 tan power 7x upon cot power 7x plus tan power 7x dx, and we know the property from a to b f of x dx is equal to integral a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. So by using this property we can write integral 0 to pi by 2, so tan to the power of 7 of pi by 2 minus x divided by cot power 7 of pi by 2 minus x plus tan power 7 of pi by 2 minus x dx. So which equals to integral 0 to pi by 2, I is equal to, so let's say this is I. So tan power 7 is cot power 7 x divided by, so this is a tan power 7 x plus tan power 7 is cot power 7 x dx. So this is, say this is 1 and this is 2. Adding 1 and 2, I plus I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2. So tan power 7 plus cot power 7, since the denominators are same, so we can write tan power 7x plus cot power 7x upon tan power 7x plus cot power 7x dx, which is equal to 1 dx, that is x, that is 0 to pi by 2. So this is pi by 2. So 2 times I is equal to pi by 2. So 2 times I is equal to pi by 2, which implies I is equal to, or integral is pi upon 4. So we can say that our statement is, since it is given pi by 4, it is true. So statement 1 is true, and let's find the statement 2. Second statement, let's consider I2 is equal to integral 2 to 8 root over 10 minus x upon root x plus root over 10 minus x dx. So again, by using the same property, integral a to b f of x dx is equal to a plus b minus x dx. So we can write 2 to 8 10 minus of a plus b minus x, that is 10 minus x, divided by under root of 10 minus x plus 10 minus of 10 minus x dx, which is equal to integral 2 to 8. So this is a root x upon root of 10 minus x plus root x dx. Say this is a 1 and this is 2, and again adding 1 and 2. So let me write here, adding 1 and 2. So I2 plus I2, that is 2 times of I2 is equal to integral 2 to 8 1 dx, that is nothing but x from 8 to 2. So which is equal to 8 minus 2 is 6. So again, that is our integral I2 is equal to 6 upon 2 is nothing but 3. So but it's given here answer is 2, so this is false. So we can say that only statement 1 is true, first option.